Hello traders, welcome to my channel. My name is Joseph, and in today's video I'm going to be placing a live trade, and obviously as always I'm going to explain to you guys everything that you need to know. So from the position size that I'm going to be using, the account size I'm going to be using, where my stop loss is going to go, where my take profit is going to go, and the most important thing, analysis behind the trade. So in terms of the strategy that I'm going to be using, and also you're going to see top down analysis of why I'm taking this trade. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and place the trade. I'm going to place a buy order. As you can see, this is the amount of units I'm using, and once I place the trade, I'm going to show you guys the account balance. So this is the account balance, the starting account balance. Obviously if you take this into consideration, it's just around 12,450 £50. So obviously once the trade is closed, you're going to see how much profit I'm going to make, or if it ends up being a losing trade, I'm going to show you as well. So I've placed that trade now. So now let's go into understanding why I took that trade. Now there's two strategies that I'm using. This is based on my daily trading strategy called the 2-to-1 negative. Now I'm not going to go too much details into explaining that. You guys that watch my live stream on YouTube every single day, you probably are going to be familiar with that strategy. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a top-down analysis and to look at this market as a whole. So I've got this market on a 1 hour time frame, and if I just zoom in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see that we've got a lot of different structures. So we've got a huge support structure here. We've got another resistance structure here which became support. We've got another structure here, and obviously the market has come into that structure level. So that gives me a very good opportunity to go long in the market, simply because of those reasons. Now also, one of the reasons why I took this trade is just understanding simple structure. Now if you look at the whole of this structure, you can see that the market came very close to that previous high, but we never broke that structure. Now if we had broken that structure, I probably wouldn't be taking this trade, because breaking this structure will mean that the market has put in a bullish structure right at the top of that range. So if we had a bullish structure, and obviously the market coming down to break this structure will completely invalidate the trade. So I would instead be looking for the market to give us a little retracement and then a move back down. However, that wasn't the case. So now that the market hasn't broken that previous structure, this is a perfect opportunity to go long. And like I said, this is just one of the reasons. The second reason is based on my day trading strategy, the 2-to-1 negative. If you guys do watch my live stream on YouTube every single day, the UK session, sometimes the US session, then you would probably be familiar with this. And I'll also be showing this on my live stream. So now that I've placed the trade, let's talk about where I'm gonna be taking my profit, or how I think the market is going to behave. I'm gonna paint a picture for you on how I think this market is going to behave. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that, and I'm going to bring in my weekly box, because when I do day trading, I like to have a weekly box, because in this box everything that I'm going to predict is going to happen. So we've got a box here. Obviously I would keep extending this box until we cover the whole week. I might even put on a 30-minute chart just to kind of give me more space, more room to maneuver. So I've got this box here, and I've got my 2-to-1 negative trade right in motion. Actually the box should start from here, because we are currently Tuesday. Yeah, so Monday, Tuesday. So this is the second day of the week. Now heading into Wednesday, what do I think the market is going to do? There is a potential. There's two ways this market is going to go. We're definitely going to get a low retracement. Heading into Wednesday, the market would either continue moving higher, or we might get a scenario where heading into Wednesday, the market comes back, retests this structure, and then sometime during before New York session, we are going to get a midweek reversal. Some of you guys are not familiar with midweek reversal, but whatever happens, this move is coming in the market. So if I get the second scenario, then I might be adding on to my position as well. However, I will be showing you all this trades. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to pause this video, and then I'll come back once the market has moved. So that's going to be probably on Wednesday in a few hours time. Hello traders, just an update on the trade that I placed, and as you can see the market is starting to move in the direction that I predicted, and obviously I didn't get the move down that will come back to retest these lows, which is fine as well, because I mean obviously the move down would have given me an opportunity to add on to my position. However, I'm fine with this one as well. So as you can see the market is currently moving on a profit of just over £1,000, £1,300, and I do expect this market to go all the way back to somewhere close to this structure level, and that's where I will be taking my profit from the market. So I didn't get the move down, so at this point in time, if I want, I could add a stop loss onto my trade just to kind of protect the position a little bit. So I'm just going to drag down a little bit all the way there. I probably put my stop loss somewhere there at around 1,000. And so obviously now just have to wait and see how this trade progresses. So I'm gonna pause this video and I'm gonna come back once the market is somewhere close to my profit level. And at this point in time, I just have to tell you as well that it's been I mean I placed this trade the day before at around 9 p.m. UK time, and currently we are around 9 a.m. UK time. So it's been 12 hours since I placed this trade, and so far I've got a profit of about £1,250. So let's see how long this is going to take before the market gets to my profit level. So I'm going to pause this video and then I will come back once I have an update for you guys. Hello traders, just to kind of update you on the trade. As you can see, I'm currently on a profit of around £1,650, and the market is definitely moving in the right direction, and it's been over a day since I placed this trade, and 1 day and 10 hours to be exact. So now we just have to, I'm just gonna have to wait and see how the market is gonna react. But I will be closing my trade, my position at some point today being Thursdays, because I never let my trade run into Fridays. I don't trade on Fridays, so I will aim to close my position by the end of today. So regardless of whether the market gets to the top of this structure here, which is supposed to be my initial profit target, so regardless of that happening, I will definitely be closing my position. So I'm just going to pause the video and then I'll come back when I'm about to do that. Hello traders, welcome back. Just an update. I'm going to be closing my trade right now because we are nearly at the end of Thursday. As you can see, the profit is just over £2,000, and obviously for those of you guys who are familiar with the way I trade, I aim to close all my position before Friday because I don't like trading on Friday. And so I'm just going to delete this box and we're going to look at what the profit is. So it's around £2,068. So I'm just going to click on that button. I'm going to click on close. So as you can see, the position has been closed with a profit of just over £2,000, and we can just go over to the account and we can see. So if you guys did remember the balance when I started this video, it was around 12,000 and something. I did take a couple of trades in my live trading room, which I usually stream on YouTube. So yeah, which ended up being a couple of profits, small profit. It wasn't a lot. I think it was about £500. I'm not too sure. But yeah, so that's the end of the trade, guys. So you've seen what goes on before I actually place a trade, because before I place this trade, guys, I went through the analysis with you, talked to you about the strategy, talked to you about the reason why I placed that trade, and then we've seen how long the trade took. I mean, it took just under 2 days because I placed that trade yeah, just around 1 day and 19 hours. That's how long it took for us to make a profit of just over £2,000. So I hope you like this video, and obviously if you do like videos like this, guys, this is the second type of video that I'm making like this. Check out the other video that I made as well, titled how I made £3,000, something like that. But you should check out that video as well. And if you guys want to be joining me in my live stream, I do stream on YouTube. I stream my trading sessions, my live trading sessions on YouTube every single week, usually Monday to Thursdays, and mostly the UK sessions, which is around 7:30 UK time in the morning to about 10 o'clock. I usually stream my trades, and you guys can follow me on there. You can watch me on there, and if you're interested in getting some of our courses so you can learn how to trade like this and make consistent profitable return, then head over to my website right now. I've got a couple of courses that might be interested to you. It's all to do with structure, guys. This is the only way as a technical trader, if you want to make money in the forex, you have to be able to read structure. You have to be able to understand structure. So guys, get in touch, and I will see you on the next video.